Kung content creator ka din kagaya ko or mahilig kang mag-vlog, ayan, and naghahanap ka ng magandang quality na wireless mic, perfect dahil meron ako ma-recommend sa iyo guys na wireless mic. So ito yung packaging niya guys. So my mic is from Boya, so BYV20, and ang in-avail ko is yung dalawang microphone. This one is in Type-C since my phone is merong Type-C port. Ayan, so meron siyang sariling pouch. Ito yung itsura niya. So ito yung sinasalpak mismo sa phone, and then ito yung dalawang mic ko. Ayan. Each mic ay meron siyang power button and also yung NR or noise reducer. Right lang hindi ko pa na isasalpak sa phone ko yung adapter. So magma-mic test tayo ngayon. So yun guys, ayun. So nasalpak ko na yung adapter sa aking phone and yan, naka-on na rin tong mic, yung isang mic. So meron siyang lighting indicator na color blue. I think nakita nyo naman yung difference from the first cut nung video without this mic and this one. Ayan, from this to this, ayan, so same pa rin ba yung level ng sound or lumalayo ba ganyan? So if you want this to also guys, check nyo lang yung product link sa baba.